I'm all about keeping it simple and efficient, so here are my tips for a smooth printing workflow. Tip number 1, network. Get the imagePROGRAF PRO-1100 set up on your network with static IP settings. You can do this on the front panel of the printer. It keeps the connection nice and stable so you can communicate with the printer whenever you need to. Tip number 2, color space. Make sure all your color space settings are consistent, your monitor is calibrated, you have the latest PPL software installed, and that you select the correct color space for editing and printing. Tip number 3, paper profiles. Check that you've installed the paper profiles for the paper you are printing on. The Pro-1100 has all the Canon papers preloaded, but if you're using papers from third-party manufacturers like Handmule or Canson, you will need to download the AM1X files from their websites and load them into the printer using the media configuration tool. Tip number 4, maintenance. Look after your printer by sticking to the scheduled maintenance program. Print in batches to maximize print time between self-cleaning cycles. Power on and off from the front panel for proper startup and shutdown. Keep the covers shut when you're not printing to avoid dust getting into the print heads. Tip number 5, black and white. The Pro-1100 is a 12-ink printer with 4 monochrome inks, including a new enhanced matte black for printing deep black on fine art rag paper, so it's capable of producing the smooth tonal gradations critical to a great monochrome print. Canon's PPL software has a dedicated black and white print mode that will help you get the best results. You can soft proof the print on a calibrated monitor and then use the pattern print function to create multiple thumbnails of the photo, with adjustments in color balance, contrast and brightness on a single sheet of paper, saving your time and money. The pattern print function works for proofing color prints as well. Make sure you have a good viewing environment for critical assessment of your prints. A balanced light is essential. A professional LED panel with a white balance of 5500 Kelvin with a CRI value above 90% is perfect. If you follow these tips, you'll be a printer expert in no time.